Hi guys, Yan Sikorski here. Today I want to share with you my top 7 ideas for the next trading session. But first of all, let's see how my yesterday ideas is worked. I recommended you long euro dollar. As you can see, if you go into the M15 time frame, as you can see, price hit our first target around 1.10 yesterday. Pound USD, in a pound USD yesterday, I recommended you two scenarios. My first scenario was price should break this consolidation with impulsive movement. Let me show you. Price should first scenario, price break this consolidation with an impulsive movement, pull back. It will be my entry points. My first target will be around 1.2340. This was my first scenario. My second scenario was the price should formed false breakout of this micro consolidation, and when price formed false breakout of this consolidation, it will be my entry point. As you can see right now, price formed false breakout of this consolidation. Also this false breakout with a volume spike. It's a pretty bullish signal. And as you can see on a higher time frame, like H4 time frame, you can see price. Let me 1 second. As you can see in the higher time frame, you can see here price formed false breakout of this important support level. This also pretty bullish signal. That's why I recommended you long this instrument. And first target will be around 1.2285, and the second target will be around 1.2330. USD Canadian dollar, and in USD Canadian dollar I recommended you short yesterday, and as you can see price hit our first target around 1.3860. Aussie USD I recommended you long this instrument. The price break this consolidation with an impulsive movement like here, then pull back like here, and it was my recommendation for the long. As you can see, price a little bit not hit our first target, unfortunately. That's why I cannot see this idea is worked pretty good. Gold. Our yesterday idea was a long in gold, but unfortunately, as you can see here, price not going up yesterday. But to be honest, a price not formed entry points yesterday. Let me second I explain why. Because for entry points, as I said yesterday, price should break this consolidation with impulsive movement, then pull back and pull back fractal. It will be our entry point. As you can see, price not formed breakout and a fractal. That's why no entry points here. Oil. Unfortunately, oil still going up. Our previous ideas was a short in oil, but honestly, here price yesterday price not formed entry points for us. S&P 500. S&P 500. Yes, my yesterday idea was if price, as I said yesterday. If price break this consolidation with an impulsive movement like here, then pull back, it will be our entry point. As you can see, price break, pull back, it was our entry points. Right now its idea still worked. That's why relax and you will be fine. Okay, right now let's focus on today's ideas. In today's ideas, let's start within euro dollar. Euro dollar, like yesterday, like the day before yesterday, looks pretty bullish. If you go into the M15 time frame, we can see here important impulsive level yesterday. Right now price formed some sort of false breakout of this impulsive level with volume spike. It's, as I said, it's a pretty bullish signal, and when price hold above 1.096, we can open position for a long. Our first target will be around 1.10. Also, if you can see, and if price hold below 1.095, we can expect that the price falling down till 1.092. Pound USD. The pound USD looks also pretty bullish. As I said yesterday, here right now formed my second scenario from yesterday's recommendation, and the price formed false breakout of this consolidation, false breakout with volume spike. As I said, this is a pretty bullish signal. If price hold above 1.2220, it will be entry points. First target will be around 1.2285, and a second target will be around 1.2320. USD Canadian dollar. In USD Canadian dollar, today I give you more middle term recommendation. Look for H4 time frame for better understanding big picture. Bigger picture say to us, here we can see important support level around 1.3850, and also if we go into the H1 time frame, we can see important impulsive level around 1.39, sorry, and price forms some sort of false breakout of this important impulsive level. Also here we can see some sort of dynamic resistance. This dynamic resistance around 1.3940, and if price break this dynamic resistance, hold above, it will be entry points. First target will be around 1.40, and second target will be around 1.41. Aussie USD. Aussie USD is pretty difficult to give you a clear scenario like only long or only short, because the price stay right now in an important level, as you can see here, 0.6550 important resistance level, and it pretty depends on how price will react for this level. If price hold above, it will be bullish scenario. In our first target will be 66.50. If price hold below, if price break again this level and hold below this level, it will be short idea, and our first target will be around 64.75. Gold, as I said yesterday, and as I said before yesterday, I'm pretty bullish on gold. And as you can see here, price stay a long period of time on a big consolidation, then formed breakout of this consolidation is an impulsive. Right now price test one time, right now second time of this level. That's why I expect with the price form false breakout of this level, 1730, and when price form false breakout of this level, it will be my entry points. I mean break and go back again to this level. It will be my entry points. My first target will be around 1752, and the second target will be around 1764. Oil right now stay near important resistance level. Let's go into the daily frame. In the daily frame, you can see here 35 level is a pretty important resistance level. That's why I'm going back to the lower time frame like H4 in this case, and I expect two scenario. First scenario, price form fractal and reversal model inside of this level, 35 level. It will be my entry points. My first target will be around $28 per contract, and second target, second scenario will be false breakout of 36 level, and when price break this level and going back again inside to this level, it will be my entry points, and also my first target in this case will be around $28 per contract. S&P 500, I'm still I'm a little bit still bullish in S&P 500, but anyway, right now price inside in this inside an important level, 29.50, and it's pretty depends on how price react on this level. If price going back above to this level and hold above this level, it will be a long scenario. First target will be around 3,000 in S&P 500. If price going back below and hold below this level, it will be a pretty short scenario. Now first target will be around 29.10, and the second target will be around 28.70. Well, these all 7 ideas for today, guys. I hope it will be pretty useful in the next trading session for you, and see you in the next videos.